In 2017, something came tumbling through our solar system. It was long, dark, and shaped like a cigar. It moved too fast, tumbled strangely, and as it swung past the sun, it sped up as if something was pushing it. This object, Oumuamua, was our first confirmed interstellar visitor, and it behaved like nothing we'd ever seen. It left scientists asking a startling question. Was this just a weird space rock, or did we witness a piece of alien technology? This question is a doorway into one of the biggest mysteries of our time. Across the cosmos, we're finding things that challenge the laws of physics. From ghostly circles larger than galaxies to a cosmic lighthouse pulsing with impossible regularity. The universe is throwing us some serious curveballs. It's not just stranger than we imagine. It might be trying to tell us something. Oumuamua, a Hawaiian name meaning scout, certainly lived up to its title. When astronomers spotted it, they knew something was off. It was long and thin, like a football field, and reflected very little light. Its path could only have come from another star, but its bizarre shape was just the beginning. As Oumuamua looped the sun, it hid the gas. Now, comets can do that. When the sun heats a comet, it releases gas in a process called outgassing, which acts like a tiny rocket. But here's the problem. Our telescopes saw nothing. No tail, no gas, no fuzz. So what was pushing it? This non-gravitational acceleration is the object's greatest puzzle. Scientists proposed it might be a nitrogen iceberg fragment from an alien planet, releasing gas invisible to us. But Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb champions a bolder theory. He argues its unique features: star shape, the lack of visible gas, the strange accelerational point to an artificial object, perhaps a solar sail or an alien probe. While the debate rages on, Oumuamua proved that visitors from other stars can be a whole lot weirder than we ever expected. Then, in 2019, astronomers found something else that made no sense. Massive and almost perfectly circular rings of radio waves just hanging in deep space. They're officially known as odd radio circles, or ORCS, and they're a huge puzzle. And when I say massive, I mean it. These rings are about 1 million light years across, many times larger than our entire Milky Way galaxy. There's usually a galaxy at the center, suggesting a connection. But what could create a perfect sphere on such an insane scale? Theories are wild. One idea is that they're giant shock waves from a cataclysmic event, like two supermassive black holes smashing into each other. Another suggests we're seeing a powerful shock wave re-energizing old plasma shot out by a black hole. But to this day, no computer simulation can reproduce their shape and brightness. It seems the universe can build structures so large and strange that they operate on principles we haven't even discovered yet. Now, imagine a lighthouse in deep space. Instead of light, it blasts out a powerful beam of radio waves, and it doesn't flash every few seconds. It pulses on a slow, impossibly steady rhythm. In 2022, astronomers found exactly that. An object 4,000 light-years away, releasing a huge burst of radio energy for a full minute, every 18.18 minutes, like clockwork. This behavior was completely new. Pulsing objects, like pulsars, aren't new, but they spin incredibly fast in seconds or milliseconds. An object rotating as slowly as this one shouldn't have enough energy to create radio waves that powerful. According to our physics, it should be silent. This thing broke all the rules. The leading theory is that it's a hypothetical object called a neutron star with a magnetic field so intense and twisted that it stores up energy for huge bursts, despite spinning slowly. But that's just a theory. The clockwork precision of these cosmic lighthouses feels eerily like a deliberate signal, making you wonder, is this a new type of star? Or are we listening to a galactic metronome of unknown origin? So, let's step back. An interstellar visitor that accelerates on its own. Ghostly rings 1 million light-years wide. A cosmic pulse beating with a slow, steady rhythm. When faced with this many mysteries, you have to consider all possibilities. At what point do we ask, what if we're looking at technology? This is the idea behind the search for technosignatures, evidence of technology created by an intelligent civilization. For decades, we listened for radio signals, but technosignatures could be so much more. City lights on an industrial pollution, or massive star harnessing structures. So let's look again. Could Oumuamua's acceleration be a propulsion system on a probe sent to check us out? Could the odd radio circles be the exhaust from a galactic-scale engineering project? And could that regular pulse be exactly what it seems? A beacon, a clock, or a navigational marker? The hunt is getting serious. New telescopes and AI are sifting through mountains of data, looking for anything truly out of place. No one has confirmed an alien artifact, but the universe keeps showing us things that stretch our understanding of physics. We might just find that the evidence for alien life wasn't a loud hello, but was hiding in plain sight all along. From a single mysterious visitor, we've journeyed to the very edge of known physics, encountering colossal radio circles and a cosmic lighthouse with an unnerving, steady beat. These objects aren't just weird, they are anomalies. And in science, anomalies are where the greatest discoveries hide. Natural explanations like nitrogen icebergs and galactic shockwaves are on the table, but so is the theory of alien technology. It's a tantalizing possibility that feels less like fiction with every new, unexplained thing we find. Maybe the real question isn't are we alone, but are we clever enough to recognize the evidence when we see it? What do you think these strange objects are? Let us know your theories in the comments below. And if you want to keep exploring the universe's biggest questions, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.